Hello and welcome you on my YouTube channel Fun and Learn, and today I am going to teach you names of vegetables in English. So let's start. So dear students, today I am going to teach you vegetable name. First vegetable name is tomato. What is the spelling of tomato? T-O-M-A-T-O, tomato. Tomato means tomato. Next is onion. What is the spelling of onion? O-N-I-O-N. Onion. Onion means pyaj. Next is potato. What is the spelling of potato? P-O-T-A-T-O, potato. Potato means aloo. Next is turnip. What is the spelling of turnip? T-U-R-N-I-P. Turnip means shalyam. Next is broccoli. What is the spelling of broccoli? B-R-O-C-C-O-L-I. Broccoli. Broccoli means hari gobi. Next is bamboo shoot. What is the spelling of bamboo shoot? B-A-M-B-O-O. Bamboo. S-S-O-O-T-S. Bamboo shoot. Bamboo shoot means basket, पोपले या करिल. Next is ashgard. What is the spelling of ashgard? A-S-H-G-O-U-R-D. Ashgard means petha. Next is apple gourd. What is the spelling of apple gourd? A-P-P-L-E. Apple. G-O-U-R-D. Apple gourd means tinda. Next is white goose foot. The spelling of white goose foot? W-H-I-T-E. white. G-O-O-S-E. goose. F-O-O-T. foot. White goose foot means bathua. Next is turmeric. And turmeric spelling is T-U-R-M-E-R-I-C. Turmeric. Turmeric means haldi. Next is sweet potato. What is the spelling of sweet potato? S-W-E-E-T. sweet. P-O-T-A-T-O. sweet potato means shakarkan. Next is spring onion. What is the spelling of spring onion? S-P-R-I-N-G. spring. O-N-I-O-N. spring onion means हरा प्याज या गांठ वाली प्याज. Next is spinach. What is the spelling of spinach? S-P-I-N-A-C-H. spinach means palak. Next is snake gourd. What is the spelling of snake gourd? S-N-A-K-E. snake. G-O-U-R-D. gourd. Snake gourd means चिंचिड़ा या चंचेड़ा. And next is pumpkin. What is the spelling of pumpkin? P-U-M-P-K-I-N. pumpkin means घिया या कद्दू. And next is garlic. What is the spelling of garlic? G-A-R-L-I-C. garlic means लहसुन. Next is fenugreek leaf. What is the spelling of fenugreek leaf? F-E-N-U-G-R-E-E-K. fenugreek. L-E-A-F. leaf means hari methi. And next is ginger. What is the spelling of ginger? G-I-N-G-E-R. ginger means adrak. And next is green chili. Green chili spelling is G-R-E-E-N. green. C-H-I-L-L-I. green chili means hari mirch. And next green beans. Green beans spelling is G-R-E-E-N. green. B-E-A-N-S. green beans means hari shem या शेम की फली. Next is radish. And what is the spelling of radish? R-A-D-I-S-H. radish. Radish means मूली. Next is jackfruit. What is the spelling of jackfruit? J-A-C-K, jack. F-R-U-I-T, jackfruit means kathal. Next is lady finger. And what is the spelling of lady finger? L-A-D-Y, lady. F-I-N-G-E-R, lady finger means bindi. Next is mushroom. What is the spelling of mushroom? M-U-S-H-R-O-O-M, mushroom. Mushroom means khumbi ya kukdi. And next, mice. What is the spelling of mice? M-A-I-Z-E, mice means makka. And next, nettle, pearl. What is the spelling of nettle pearl? N-A-T-A-L-P-L-U-M, nettle pearl means karunda. Next is mustard greens. What is the spelling of mustard greens? M-U-S-T-A-R-D, mustard. G-R-E-E-N-S, greens means सरसों का पत्ता. And next is pointed gourd. What is the spelling of pointed gourd? P-O-I-N-T-E-D, pointed. G-O-U-R-D, pointed gourd means परवल या पटल. And next is peppermint. What is the spelling of peppermint? P-E-P-P-E-R-M-I-N-T, peppermint means pudina. And next is ridged gourd. Ridged gourd spelling is R-I-D-G-E-D, ridged gourd means G-O-U-R-D, ridged gourd means tori या झींगी. Next is red chili. Red chili spelling is R-E-D, red, C-H-I-L-L-I, red chili means लाल मिर्च. Next is peas. What is the spelling of peas? P-E-A-S, peas means मटर. And next is curry leaf. What is the spelling of curry leaf? C-U-R-R-Y, curry, L-E-A-F, curry leaf means कड़ी पत्ता. Next is cucumber. What is the spelling of cucumber? C-U-C-U-M-B-E-R, cucumber means खीरा. And next is corn. What is the spelling of corn? C-O-R-N, corn means मक्का. And next is coriander leaf. What is the spelling of coriander leaf? C-O-R-I-A-N-D-E-R-L-E-A-F, coriander leaves means हरा धनिया पत्ता. Next is cluster beans. What is the spelling of cluster beans? C-L-U-S-T-E-R, cluster, B-E-A-N-S, cluster beans means गवार फली. And next is chili. What is the spelling of chili? C-H-I-L-L-I, chili means mirch. And next is chickpeas gram. What is the spelling of chickpeas gram? C-H-I-C-K-P-E-A-S G-R-A-M, chickpeas gram is chana. And next is celery. What is the spelling of celery? C-E-L-E-R-Y, celery means ajmoda. Next is cauliflower. What is the spelling of cauliflower? C-A-U-L-I-F-L-O-W-E-R, cauliflower means फूल गोभी. Next is carrot. What is the spelling of carrot? C-A-R-R-O-T, carrot means गाजर. And next is capsicum. Capsicum spelling is C-A-P-S-I-C-U-M, capsicum means शिमला मिर्च. Next is cabbage. What is the spelling of cabbage? C-A-B-B-A-G-E, cabbage means पत्ता गोभी. Next is brinjal. What is the spelling of brinjal? B-R-I-N-J-A-L, brinjal. Brinjal means बैंगन. And next is bottle gourd. This is bottle gourd. And what is the spelling of bottle gourd? B-O-T-T bottle, GOURD bottle gourd means लौकी, कद्दू या घिया. Next is black pepper. What is the spelling of black pepper? BLACK black, PEPPER black pepper means काली मिर्च. Next is bitter gourd. What is the spelling of bitter gourd? BITTER GOURD bitter gourd means करेला. Next is bell pepper. What is the spelling of bell pepper? BELL bell, PEPPER bell pepper means शिमला मिर्च. Next is beetroot. What is the spelling of beetroot? BEET beet, ROOT root, beetroot means चुकंदर. Next is aubergine. What is the spelling of aubergine? AUBERGINE. Aubergine means बैंगन. Next is artichoke. What is the spelling of artichoke? ARTICHOKE. Artichoke means ब्रांगी या हाथी चक. Next is arrowroot. What is the spelling of arrowroot? ARROOT. Arrowroot means arrowroot या शिशु मूल. Next is amaranth. What is the spelling of amaranth? AMARANTH. Amaranth means चौराई की सब्जी या साग. Next is fava beans. What is the spelling of fava beans? FAVA fava BEANS beans. Fava beans means बाकला शेमफली. Next is eggplant. What is the spelling of eggplant? EGGPLANT. Eggplant means बैंगन. Next is white eggplant. White eggplant spelling is WHIT white, EGGPLANT. Eggplant means सफेद बैंगन. Next is tendli. What is the spelling of tendli? TENDLI. Tendli means kudru. Next is coloxia taro-root. What is the spelling of coloxia taro-root? COLOCASIA coloxia, TARO taro, ROOT. Root means कांदू, कचालू या कांदा. And next is red cabbage. What is the spelling of red cabbage? RED red, CABBAGE. Cabbage means लाल पत्ता गोभी. Next is raw papaya. And what is the spelling of raw papaya? RAW raw, PAPAYA raw. Papaya means कच्चा पपीता. Next is raw banana. What is the spelling of raw banana? RAW raw, BANANA. Raw banana means कच्चा केला. And next is raw banana flower. What is the spelling of raw banana flower? RAW raw, BANANA banana, FLOWER. Raw banana flower means केले का फूल. And next is nettle palm. Nettle. What is the spelling of nettle palm? NATAL nettle, PLUM. Palm means करोंदा. Next is mouse melon. What is the spelling of mouse melon? MOUSE mouse, MELON. Mouse melon means kachri. And next is kohlrabi. What is the spelling of kohlrabi? KOHLRABI. Kohlrabi means gant gobi. Next is kidney beans. What is the spelling of kidney beans? KIDNEY kidney, BEANS. Kidney beans means rajma. And next is Indian gooseberry. What is the spelling of Indian gooseberry? INDIAN Indian, GOOSEBERRY. Indian gooseberry means आंवला. Next is fennel. What is the spelling of fennel? F-E-N-N-E-L. Fennel means hara soya. Next is elephant foot yam. What is the spelling of elephant foot yam? E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant foot, F-O-O-T, foot, Y-A-M. Yam means Jimmy Kand. Next is drumstick. What is the spelling of drumstick? D-R-U-M-S-T-I-C-K. Drumsticks means moringa या मूंगा. Next is cucumis, utilis misu. What is the spelling of cucumis, utilis misu? C-U-C-U-M-I-S. Cucumis. U-T-I-L-I-S-S-I-M-U-S. Utilismus means kakdi. Next is colocasia root. What is the spelling of colocasia root? C-O-L-O-C-A-S-I-A. colocasia R-O-O-T root. Colocasia root means अरबी या fig tree. Next is broccoli. What is the spelling of broccoli? B-R-O-C-C-O-L-I. Broccoli means हरी गोभी. And next is bamboo shoot. What is the spelling of bamboo shoot? B-A-M-B-O-O bamboo. S-H-O-O-T-S. Bamboo shoots means बांस के कोपले या करीन. And last is ashgard. What is the spelling of ashgard? A-S-H-G-O-U-R-D. Ashgard means पेठा. I hope students you have learned all vegetables name. Till then you keep study and good luck.
अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर नए हैं तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल एंड प्रेस द बेल आइकॉन ताकि मेरे नए वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशन आपको सबसे पहले मिले.